in other world news, the European Commission has launched fresh legal action against Britain, accusing London of putting peace in Northern Ireland at risk by trying to overhaul the post-Brexit trade deal. On Monday, the British government introduced legislation to rip up those post-Brexit trading rules for Northern Ireland in an attempt to override the EU treaty that it had signed. The government insists the move does not break international law. From Brussels, Dave Keating explains.
These legal challenges were just announced by Commission Vice President Maroš Šefčovič, and they, of course, are in response to that bill that was tabled by the UK government on Monday, undoing really the major part of the Northern Ireland Protocol that was part of the Brexit divorce deal agreed at the end of 2019. Now, these legal challenges aren't to the bill itself. They are to the UK's failure to implement the border checks between Northern Ireland and the rest of the UK that are required by the protocol. But Šefčovič also said that if this bill does pass as written, and the way the UK legislative process works, that would probably take a year to a year and a half, so there is some breathing room here. But if the bill does pass as written, then the EU will consider completely terminating the free trade deal that was agreed with the UK, and that would lead to the dreaded no-deal Brexit that we thought we avoided when that last-minute deal was agreed at the end of 2020. So there is about a year here, as I talk to diplomats in town, where they say they would need to start preparing for that so-called nuclear option, because the EU says the UK cannot dictate how the terms of this work because it would present a huge risk to the EU's single market. Just as a reminder, the Northern Ireland Protocol was found as a solution so that the particular type of Brexit that the UK chose, that is a hard Brexit leaving both the single market and the customs union, wouldn't result in a customs border on the island of Ireland between the Republic of Ireland, which is in the EU, and Northern Ireland, which is part of the UK. Northern Ireland was given this dual status where it's part of the EU's customs area, but also part of the UK, and that's why the customs checks have to be conducted in the Irish Sea between Northern Ireland and the UK, and the EU says the UK is not fulfilling its part of the bargain, and there is an increasing suspicion here in Brussels and other European capitals that Boris Johnson never intended to honor the protocol he signed, that he simply signed it in order to get his free trade deal with which he won an election.